Youth living a truck-free life. You and I, we can do this. Let's work together to stop the use of trucks. Come take my hand and let's try our best not to be drowned and blinded by the addiction of using trucks. Let's come together and make a change, for we are our country's future.
Living a truck-free life. What good or advantages will you achieve if you are a truck-free person? In this case, there are lots of advantages that can be seen. But among all the advantages, there are only 5 advantages that are considered as the most important. These advantages are: you will have a long life term, you'll be a strong athlete even if you are an athlete, you'll have a better chance from not getting sick, and also truck-free life will help you stay in your education, and lastly, you will enjoy a better life in the future rather than suffering from cancer or other any effects that will affect your life. So if you want to become a strong, healthy person with a good future, stay away from drugs, because drugs only brings you no good. It only leads you to your grave. So my advice is stay away from drugs and always be healthy and strong.
Our island has been damaged by the use of drugs. Let us help together prevent those people that are using drugs, especially young ages. By doing this, many people can have a better life in the future. Young people that doesn't use drugs, they have easy path to get their dreams come true. If you want your dreams to come true, you must do the good for the people, good for your environment, and also good for your health. By doing this, lots of people can make their dreams and their environment come better.
Living a drug-free life. Be the life you won't regret someday. Good things always come to those who are strong enough to say no. Act today for the sake of tomorrow. A 1 second can ruin the rest of the time.
Avoid doing drugs to help prevent your body from having sickness. Live a drug-free life to stay healthy. Be wise, don't starve. Enjoy life with sports and exercises.